So actually, I entered the discipline office around 2004, and the Clean As You Go policy has been starting already. One particular concern during that time was the the presence of the officer who will implement this particular policy. But it has been implemented ever since, I think, before I was even present here at the discipline office. Uh, but the one officer who really started the full implementation of the Clean As You Go policy is Sir from the Dean of Student Affairs. And it is not only situated exclusively or implemented exclusively at the food court area. It's supposed to be Clean As You Go the whole university, in line with the project of the campus also regarding clean and green, and at the same time solid waste management. So we were able to come up with projects like Clean As You Go program. But the proponent of this, I think, came from the office of the student affairs.
So, sir, what is your opinion about this Clean As You Go program or policy?
Actually, this in the first place, this should not be actually. Uh, there's no need for this to become a policy, because Clean As You Go should be first and foremost the responsibility of every individual, not only in the university but everywhere. You know? The idea is to give opportunity and at the same time to take the initiative to clean the place before you leave it, in preparation for other people, as consideration for them who will also take over a particular space. So whether you're eating, whether you are watching movie, actually our reason always is that there are people being paid to clean our mess. But as a matter of discipline, even in just our homes, we are trained to pick up our plates and everything and put them on the lavabo, or what we call it, on the
Kitchen sink.
anyway, the sink. Thank you. And not wait for the maids to clean them up. Otherwise, we allow bacteria, everything like that. And that's a matter of discipline also. Actually, this is call for consideration, call for care, not only for the place where we take or we eat or we gather. It's also a matter of discipline on how we take care of our environment every time we leave in preparation also for others. So I believe there's no need for sanction, there's no need for us to implement it really, and there's no need for the presence of the officers there. Each and every one of us should bear in mind that this is our primary responsibility.
So, sir, what is your feedback about the negative response of the students or the university about that policy?
So far, the only comment of the student, of those students who are caught actually, is that they won't go back to the food court anymore to eat. I find it a little bit immature also as a comment, because I am kumbaga, I am convinced that the students love the food court no matter how they claim it to be some awful smell present or it's very crowded. We love the food court. We buy food from the food court all the time. Even with the Cafe de la Salle, still a lot of students converge at the food court to buy, not only us college students but IS, high school, even our guests. So, amo lang na nga comment, no? We won't go back there anymore. Or they say, it's our first time, we are at the extension campus for the nursing students, or it's our first time to eat at the food court. And one comment which is actually disappointing for me is that they claim, what is the use of the janitor who are being paid to do the task? Actually, we are encouraging students to clean as you go, not to free the janitors of what they're doing. It is a practice for our students and for us also, even for our guests who are not even a part of the Lasallian community, just came here as kumbaga tag along with friends just to eat here. we encourage them even to bring their plates and put them in the proper places.
So as of now,
That's it.
as the school year ng 2008-09 opens now, how can you see the freshman students about this policy?
We had a freshman transfer orientation days before the classes started, and we really emphasized major policies in the university like uniform policy, dress code, ID, clean as you go policy. And freshmen are very supportive, and they affirm actually the idea that we have to be disciplined enough to clean the places before we leave them. Okay? They agree with it. Some freshmen claim many reasons. Maybe one is lack of knowledge of the policy. Another thing is they forgot. Another thing is they claim that they're in a hurry. But in everything that we do, one thing very important is always the kumbaga, aftercare. That's what they call in nursing. Okay, aftercare. When you're finished taking care of the patient, you have to care for the place or for the specific area before you leave it.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. That's it.